Hello again. It's been a grey start to the week so far for many of us, and it stays cloudy and damp through the night. Wet weather in the north later on, heavy and persistent rain, but for most places we start Monday evening with light and patchy rainfall. A mucky night out there though, with extensive low cloud, mist and hill fog. Towards the end of the night we'll see heavy rain move through Northern Ireland into northern England and southern Scotland. That rain really the focus for tomorrow's weather, but it's all brought in by a warm front, and that warm front neatly divides the country from mild air in the south to much colder air in the far north. 0 in Lerwick, 12 or 13 the minimum temperature as we start Tuesday in the south. But the south is going to be pretty grotty first thing, a lot of low cloud and mistiness. It does generally brighten up through the morning, especially for central and eastern England, and we stay dry here. Elsewhere though, heavy and prolonged rain to start the day in central and southern Scotland moves northwards gradually. Will push in further wet weather to western areas by the end of Tuesday afternoon on an increasingly strong wind. Nevertheless, that wind is from the southwest, so it's a mild wind. 13, 14, perhaps even 15 Celsius for parts of England and Wales on Tuesday afternoon. This rain, though, running into cold air, it's going to be a miserable day in the far north, with rainfall amounts totting up over Caithness and a strong wind accompanying that rain as well. Now, through Tuesday evening, the wet weather does peter out for a time in the far north, but will pull in further outbreaks of rain into northern and western Britain as the night goes on. The best chance of any prolonged dry weather really across the Midlands and the east of England. Some breaks here, but again, it's another generally dull start to Wednesday, although it will be, again, mild for most places. Now, Wednesday itself, we'll see this weather front move through northern and central parts of Britain, and tracing it back, it extends all the way out to the southwest of the UK. We're going to draw up a lot of moisture with this weather front, and really it's going to result in a wet day for northern England, Wales, the southwest of England, Northern Ireland and southern Scotland. This general zone here, very heavy and persistent rain throughout Wednesday. To the southeast of it, mild temperatures and a few breaks in the cloud for East Anglia in the southeast, 14 or 15 degrees, feeling quite pleasant for a time. But for the far north, we keep the cold air still at 6 or 7 degrees at the very best.